this is our first open house. My first ever experience open house here in the United States. So ganito pala dito. Before the class starts, we are going to visit the classroom, the entire school, and the teachers as well. So that's what you call open house. And then a bit of getting to know each other and getting to know the schools as well. So let's go. Alright, so done with the open house, guys. I was so busy. It was fun knowing the parents and even my future students. So I have station 1, station 2, and of course station number 3. So it's about like almost 2 hours. So today we're going to chill out and rest a bit. Okay, so that's about open house. Alright, so we're getting ready for tomorrow because tomorrow is the big day. It's the first day of class. Alright, so it's formal already, and this is the time where the students are coming in. I will be having homeroom and my regular science class. So this is my desk, and with those stuff, I'm not yet done with the decoration for my classroom. See, it's still blank. But those tables are now ready. Okay, so hopefully I can have an amazing and wonderful first day of classes here at Osceola Middle School. So let's check it out. See ya. Alright, so there's a lot of students going in now. It's already 9 a.m. and we're going to roll on. Let's start. Alright, so here we go. The students are here. So we're just waiting for my period number 2 and period number 3 because today is Wednesday and every Wednesday I don't have any homeroom. So today is our planning day, but we're going to do it next week. So excited and nervous at the same time. Let's check out these amazing students. Alright, so Teacher Da here, teaching in the USA. Alright, so almost at the end of the first day of class. It was so crazy, yet so fun to know your students and a background of them. Whew. Now we're going to the pep rally, and this is the first time here. So let's go to the gym. And there you go, guys. So we're done with our first week here at Osceola Middle School. So it is a very roller coaster ride. It's fun, crazy, wild, and amazing week for my first experience teaching here in the United States of America, especially here in Okeechobee, Florida. So these are all the things that I'm, getting into it, trying to make my students getting into my system, like the processes here, okay, in my classroom. And those are the Chromebooks of my students. So they have their own laptops here so that they can work online and at the same time they can participate in Promethean board. So I'm looking forward for exciting part and exciting week ahead for my students and to me as well. So thank you so much, guys. See ya. Right, so it's Sunday afternoon, guys. I'm just walking here around Okeechobee Central Park, and you can see a lot of missiles and tanks, and of course helicopter in this area. So gotta go. Yeah. So this is the main street here, and we have plaza. Then you can just walk around there. So guys, I'm here in Okeechobee, Florida. It's kind of small town, and this area is composed of like old town houses. It's great, so might better to like explore some areas here. There you go. Oh, this is where we attended churches. Okeechobee Central Park. So Okeechobee is known for having a lot of ranches. So those are not real cows or buffalo, but as part of their history, there's a lot of ranches here, and they have what they call the rodeo, and I like that, where you're going to ride on the top of a bull or a buffalo. There you go. Most likely they are what they call the cowboys. As you can see, this side has a lot of old town. Look, there you go. So nice to see. Alright, so now it's raining a bit, but it's kind of cool because here in Florida, like, the sun is always shining. So might as well, it's good to walk like this kind of time. So those are cool places, like the old towns. They are cool. Yep, and the roads here are huge. Look at those roads and trailers. And at the same time, it looks like Luneta Park, but there's no people around. I'm just here alone and walking around the area. But I guess you can see some open stores, but basically those stores will open just from 8 a.m. up to 3 p.m. Then after that, they're closed already. So this is what the Okeechobee town looks like. It's small, it's cool, and amazing. There's a lot of histories as well. Alright, so now it's raining a bit, but it's kind of cool because here in Florida, like, the sun is always shining. So might as well, it's good to walk like this kind of time. So those are cool places, like the old towns. They are cool. Yep, and the roads here are huge. Look at those roads and trailers. And at the same time, it looks like Luneta Park, but there's no people around. I'm just here alone and walking around the area. But I guess you can see some open stores, but basically those stores will open just from 8 a.m. up to 3 p.m. then after that they're closed already. So this is what the Okeechobee town looks like. It's small, it's cool, and amazing. There's a lot of histories as well. So now we are here at the intersection, and this is one of the major histories, part of the history of Okeechobee. It's like those are the real tanks way back before. There you go. Wow. It's massive. And they are huge. Yeah. Because there's a lot of armies, like militaries, that came from Okeechobee. Yeah, that is a real tank. And I don't know what they call this one. And there's also a helicopter in that area. And a missile over there, and another